In this video, we'll learn to define percentages. So what you see right now, this orange part is 1%. So it's 1 out of the 100 pieces, which is also the same as saying 1 out of 100 pence. So 1 pence out of a pound. A percentage is always out of 100. That's why we say percent. Means per 100. So no matter the amount that you work in a percentage of, you've got to kind of split it or cut it into 100 pieces in your mind and then take the 1%. So if we have £20 and we want to get 1% of it, we've got to split this 20 into 100 pieces and just take one of them. And linking this to a pound can really help us. So if you're working out 1% of £20, 1% of £1 is going to be 1 pence. Of £2 is going to be 2 pence. £3, 3 pence, and so on. So £20, that's going to be 20 pence. So 1% of £20 is 20 pence. 2% of it is going to be double that, so 40 pence. 3% of it is going to be 60 pence. 4% is going to be 80 pence. 5% is going to be £1. So 2% is double 1%. 5% is going to be 5 times that. So it's 5 out of 100. So 5 pence for every £1. So again, if I refer to the £20, 5 pence for every £1. For £2, that's going to be 10 pence. £3, 15 pence. £4, 20 pence, and so on. So you could just multiply the 5 by 20, because there is 5 pence in every pound, and that's going to give you a pound. 10% is going to be double the 5%. That is 10 pence in a pound, and it's going to be 10 out of 100. So, referring to the £20, 10 pence in every £1. What about £20? So 10 times 20, which gives us 200 pence or £2. What do you notice? How many columns do I have here in total? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10% is also 1 out of the 10, or 1/10. So 10% is double 5%. 10 out of 100. So if I work out 10% of the £20, 10% means 10 pence for every pound. What about for £20? That's going to be 200 pence or £2. What else do you notice? How many columns do I have here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 columns of 10 each. So 10% is also the same as saying 1/10 or 1 out of 10. So going back to this, I could split the 20 into 10 pieces and get just one of them to work out 10%. So 20 divided by 10 gives me 2, and there I have the 10% worked out. What about 20%? So how many of these do I have overall? So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So what we're saying is that 20% is 1/5. So I could divide an amount by 5 and get 20% straight away. So 20 divided by 5 gives me 4. So £4 would make 20% of the £20. 30% then is going to be 3 out of 10. 40% is going to be 4 out of 10, or 40 out of 100. 50% is going to be half. So 50 out of 100. So again, 50% of £20 is going to be £10, half of it. 25% is going to be a quarter, or 25 out of 100. Which you can also split like this. And this would be a quarter. So 25% is also 1/4. 50% was a half. 75% is 3/4. 100%, that would be the whole thing. So that's equal to 1. 101% is going to be the 101 extra. %120% is going to be 120 out of the 100. So still percent out of 100.